Your Jollibee stock portfolio, dream or reality? Imagine owning a piece of Jollibee, the nation's beloved fast food giant. Picture yourself as a part owner of this iconic brand, sharing in its success and growth. Imagine your money growing alongside their iconic Chicken Joy and sweet spaghetti. Every bite taken by a customer could mean a little more growth in your investment. This dream can be your reality through investing in the Philippine stock market. The stock market is a place where dreams of financial growth and stability can come true. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as you think. With the right guidance and tools, anyone can start investing and see their money grow. This guide will break down the process into easy-to-understand steps. From opening a brokerage account to selecting the right stocks, we've got you covered. Get ready to unlock your potential as an investor and watch your money grow. Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for anyone willing to learn and take the first step. This guide is your roadmap to navigating the stock market and building a brighter financial future. With the right knowledge, you can make informed decisions that lead to financial success. Whether you're a seasoned saver or just starting, understanding the basics of stock market investing can empower you to take control of your finances and grow your wealth. It's never too late or too early to start investing. We'll explore the how-tos, the whys, and the whats, demystifying the world of investing and making it accessible to everyone. Join us on this journey to financial empowerment and discover how you can turn your dreams into reality through smart investing. Why invest in the Philippine stock market? Investing in the stock market is like planting a seed for your future. Just as a seed needs time, care, and the right conditions to grow into a strong, healthy plant, your investments need time and the right strategy to flourish. It's about watching your money grow over time. With patience and smart decisions, your initial investment can multiply, providing you with financial security and growth. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small ownership in a company. This means you have a stake in its success and can benefit from its growth and profitability. As the company grows and becomes more valuable, so does your investment. This can lead to significant returns, especially if you invest in companies with strong potential. The Philippine stock market in particular offers exciting opportunities. With a growing economy and a vibrant business environment, there are many promising companies to invest in. Think of all the successful companies in the Philippines like SM Malls, which have become household names and continue to expand their reach. Ayala Corporation, a leader in real estate and banking, or BDO, one of the largest banks in the country, are just a few examples. By investing in these companies, you become a part of their success story. You share in their profits and growth, which can be incredibly rewarding. Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants to build a better financial future. With the right knowledge and tools, anyone can start investing and take control of their financial destiny. Whether you're saving for retirement, a child's education, or simply looking to grow your wealth, the Philippine stock market offers a range of opportunities to help you achieve your financial goals. Gearing up, opening a trading account. Your journey begins with opening a trading account. This account is your gateway to the stock market. It's where you'll buy and sell stocks. Think of it like opening a bank account, but instead of storing cash, you'll be managing your investments. Don't worry, opening a trading account is simple. You can choose from several reputable stockbrokers in the Philippines, such as COL Financial, First Metro Sec, or BPI Trade. These brokers act as your intermediaries, executing your buy and sell orders on the Philippine Stock Exchange. Choosing a stockbroker. Finding your financial partner. Selecting the right stockbroker is crucial for a smooth and successful investing experience. Think of your stockbroker as your financial partner. They provide the platform, tools, and support you need to navigate the market effectively. When choosing a stockbroker, consider factors like their trading fees, research and analysis tools, customer support, and online platform user-friendliness. Take your time, compare different brokers, and choose the one that aligns best with your needs and investment goals. Section 5. Funding your account, fueling your investments. Once you've opened your trading account, it's time to fund it. This is like putting gas in your car before a road trip. You need capital to start investing. Funding your account is typically done through bank transfers. Most brokers provide clear instructions on how to link your bank account to your trading account. The amount you initially fund your account with depends on your financial situation and investment goals. Remember, it's always wise to start with an amount you're comfortable investing and gradually increase your contributions over time. Section 6. Navigating the trading platform, your investment dashboard. After funding your account, familiarize yourself with your broker's trading platform. This platform is your investment command center. It's where you'll research stocks, place trades, monitor your portfolio, and manage your investments. Most trading platforms offer a user-friendly interface with various features and tools. Take the time to explore these features. Understand how to place different types of orders, track your portfolio's performance, and access research reports. Your broker should provide tutorials and support to help you navigate their platform effectively. Section 7. Research and analysis, picking your winning stocks. Now comes the exciting part, choosing your stocks. This is where your knowledge and research come into play. Before investing in any company, it's crucial to understand its business, financials, and growth potential. You can find a wealth of information about publicly listed companies through your broker's research reports, financial news websites, and the Philippine Stock Exchange website. Look for companies with a solid track record, strong management teams, and a competitive edge in their respective industries. Section 8. Placing your first trade, taking the plunge. With your research complete, it's time to place your first trade. Don't be intimidated, it's simpler than it sounds. On your broker's trading platform, search for the stock you want to buy and enter the number of shares you want to purchase. Double-check all the details, including the stock symbol, the number of shares, and the order type, market or limit order. Once you're satisfied, submit your order. Congratulations! You've just taken your first step into the world of stock market investing. Section 9. Patience is key long-term growth and avoiding panic. Investing in the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about gradual long-term growth, not get-rich-quick schemes. The stock market will have its ups and downs, but it's crucial to stay patient and focused on your long-term goals. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Remember, time is your ally in the stock market. The longer you stay invested, the more your investments will compound and grow. Section 10. Tips for beginner investors, navigating the market wisely. As a beginner investor, it's essential to approach the market with prudence and a focus on learning. The stock market can be both exciting and intimidating, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can navigate it successfully. Here are some practical tips to guide you. Start small, grow gradually. This means beginning with a modest investment amount that you are comfortable with, and then increasing your contributions as you gain more experience and confidence in your investment decisions. Begin with an investment amount you're comfortable with and gradually increase your contributions as you gain experience and confidence. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk and ensuring that your investments are not overly dependent on the performance of a single asset or sector. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different companies and sectors, you can protect yourself from significant losses if one particular investment performs poorly. Spread your investments across different companies and sectors to manage risk. Invest regularly. Make investing a habit. Consistency is crucial in building wealth over time. Set aside a portion of your income each month for investing, regardless of market conditions. This disciplined approach can help you take advantage of market opportunities and grow your investments steadily. Stay informed. Keep up to date with market trends, economic news, and company performance. Staying informed will help you make better investment decisions and adapt to changing market conditions. Knowledge is power in investing. Continuously educate yourself by reading books, attending seminars, and following reputable financial news sources. Seek professional advice. Don't hesitate to consult a financial advisor if you need personalized guidance and support in your investment journey. A professional can provide valuable insights and help you create a tailored investment plan that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Additionally, consider joining investment communities or online forums where you can share experiences and learn from other investors. Engaging with a community can provide you with different perspectives and strategies that you might not have considered. Regularly review your investment portfolio and adjust your strategy as needed. Setting clear financial goals and periodically assessing your progress can help you stay on track and make informed decisions. Remember, investing is a long-term journey. patience, discipline, and continuous learning are your best allies in navigating the market wisely and achieving your financial aspirations. Section 11. Unlocking your financial future. Start investing today. Investing in the Philippine stock market is within everyone's reach. It's a powerful tool for building wealth, achieving financial goals, and securing your financial future. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. Take the first step today. Open a trading account, start learning, and embark on your journey to financial freedom. The Philippine stock market awaits, filled with opportunities for those who dare to invest in their future.